everyone, welcome to HNS Physics. This is your Narasimha. Today in this class I am going to explain numerical problems based upon mirror formula. Right? So while doing the numerical problems based upon mirror formula, students will get confused with the sign convention. So don't get confused, ma. So I am telling you 3 points. You have to follow these 3 points. So first point is, for concave mirror focal length is negative. For convex mirror focal length is positive. Next, come to second point. For concave mirror and for convex mirror, object distance is always negative because that object is always located left side of the pole. Next, come to third point. When it is a real image, means that image distance is negative. When the virtual image, means that image distance is always positive. Right? So when the height of the object is always, we have to take positive. Then height of the, if it is real image, means height of the image is negative. If it is virtual image, means the height of the image is always positive. So just you have to follow these points, then you can do the solutions. Right? Let's start. Right? Let's see my first problem. What is given here? An object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a concave mirror of radius of curvature is given 40 centimeter. Find the nature, position and magnification of the image. So if you see, this is a concave mirror. So don't buttify the mirror formula. So object distance, image distance, don't follow like that method. First you have to analyze the question. So what is given? This is concave mirror, right? So that is the first point. So concave mirror means pole, focus and center of curvature. Simple here, focal length, radius of curvature, how much is given in this problem? Radius of curvature 40 centimeter. So but radius of curvature is nothing but it is the double of focus. So that means 2f is equal to 40 centimeter. Then f equal to 40 by 20. That means 2 ones are 2 20. So focal length is 20 centimeter. That means this distance is given here how much more? 20 centimeter. So if you know the focal length, then where that object is located, we can find simply by using of this distance. Now here object distance is given how much? 10 centimeter. That means what? So object is placed between the focus and pole. 10 centimeter means it is the less than of focal length. It is the less than of 20 centimeter. So that means when the object is placed between the focus and pole. So we know the simple, when the object is placed between the focus and pole, where the image is formed? Behind the mirror. Already we discussed ray diagrams based upon concave mirror. So if you analyze like this, then the solution is become very easy. So when the object is placed between the focus and pole, we know the image is formed behind the mirror. When the image is formed behind the mirror means, so that image size is larger than size of object, and that image distance also become positive, and that image distance also become positive. That what is the nature here? Nature is nothing but a virtual image. So like this, if you analyze, then problems become very easy. So here, so first we have to find the image distance. So image distance here positive. Image distance is positive. We will get positive. Otherwise, if you get negative, means that answer is wrong. So right. So object distance how much is given here? 10 centimeters. Right. So focal length, this radius of curvature 40 means focal length is 20. Right. Now we can use the mirror formula. 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. What is asking here? Image distance is asking. So v equal to question mark. That value you can take left side. 1 by v equal to 1 by f and minus 1 by u. So which one is asking? For that one, no need to take sign convention. For remaining two values, we have to take the sign convention. Because why we are not taking here? That value will come with a sign convention. If it is will come here positive, because here virtual image is formed. Virtual image means that image distance is positive. Positive means then only that is correct. Otherwise, that answer is wrong. Here see 1 by v equal to. So right. For remaining two, we have to take the sign convention. So what will come here? Object distance negative, u equal to minus, and f equal to also minus. For these two, we have to take the sign convention. Right? Minus 1 by 20 minus of minus, that means minus 1 by 10. Then 1 by E, V equal to minus 1 by 20. Here minus into minus plus 1 by 10, right? So then 1 by V equal to, take LCM here, LCM is nothing but 20. So minus 1, so plus 2, 10 2s are 20, right? 1 by V equal to, so 2 minus 1, that means 1 by 20. Then what is the image distance here? 20 centimeter. Image distance is 20. We got it positive only. That's why it is a it is a virtual image, right? So nature, we got it answer. First one, nature, virtual image. So image is formed behind the, where is the position? So image is formed behind the mirror at the distance of 20 centimeter. Next to last one is there. What is that? Magnification. We have to find the magnification. So magnification is formula what now? V by U. This is the general formula, right? So M equal to what is the V image distance? How much you got? 20, right? 20 by U. What is the object distance here? 10. But the object distance we have to take with sign convention. So that is minus. So right. So here minus 10 1 the 10 2 the. So magnification value is nothing but minus 2. So and one more important thing, for concave mirror magnification is negative. For concave mirror magnification is negative, right? We got it now, that value. So right, this is the first problem. Come to second problem. What is given second problem? A concave mirror forms a real image. Already in the question that they given real image. Real image means that image distance will come negative, right? So real image forms a 4 times, means enlarged, as the object is placed at the 10 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. So find the position of the image and radius of curvature of the mirror, right? So we know the magnification formula what Anna? Simple, magnification is equal to image distance by object distance. So here it is a concave mirror. Concave mirror means negative, magnification is negative. So what is given? The times 4 times. So you have to take here 4, and for image distance and object distance is negative for concave mirror. That's why here minus V by minus U, right? So minus 4 equal to minus V by, so what about the object distance here? Object distance how much is given? Minus 10. So this value, otherwise here minus cancel, then minus 4 equal to V by 10. Then what about image distance? Here image distance minus 40 centimeter. So real image means image distance is negative. Yes, already we got it, is negative. So position of the image means how much distance? 40 centimeter from the mirror. Now we have to find the focal length. First we have to find the focal length. Then afterwards we can find the radius of curvature. To find the focal length we have to use the mirror formula, 1 by F equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U, right? So 1 by F here. So for these two we have to take the sign convention, right? 1 by F equal to, so image distance negative, already we got it, minus 1 by 40. And what about object distance? Object distance also negative, so minus 1 by 10. So because object distance also negative now, so U is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Now we have to find the focal. It is a concave mirror. Concave mirror means compulsory we need to get the focal length is negative. If that value will come negative means that answer is correct, otherwise that is wrong. So right, 1 by F equal to, right, what is the LCM here? So here minus 40 is the LCM, so minus 1, right, minus 1, here minus 4, right? So 1 by F equal to minus 5 by 40. That means F equal to what here? Minus 40 by 5. So 5 1s are 5 8s are. So focal length is what here? Focal length is minus 8 centimeter. So negative. So focal length is negative for concave mirror. Already we got it with the sign convention. Then what about radius of curvature? R is equal to 2F. Then R equal to 2 into what about F value? Here minus 8. So then R equal to 2 into 8 minus 16 centimeter. So this is the radius of curvature for concave mirror. So this is the second solution, right? Come to third one, So what is given third one? an object is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter from a convex mirror. So convex mirror means we know this is the convex mirror, right? So coating will be there inside, reflecting surface is there outside. So this is the pole and this is the focus, this is the center of curvature. Now when the object is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter, so we know the one thing only for convex mirror we will get only two images. One is when the object is placed at the infinity, image is formed at focus. Next, when the object is placed between infinity to pole, then image is formed between the pole and focus. Now when the object is placed at the distance of 15 centimeter from the mirror, so image is formed at a distance of 5 centimeter. So we know already when the wherever you can place that object between the infinity to pole, that image is formed between the pole and focus only. So image is formed 5 centimeter at the distance of from the mirror. This is the pole. Here object distance is negative, image distance is positive. Now we have to find the focal length of the mirror and radius of curvature. So simple ma. Then we have to use the mirror formula here, right? So object distance is given on 15 centimeter. That means negative. Next, image distance. We know the image distance is positive for convex mirror, that is 5 centimeter. Now we can find the focal length. 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So this is the mirror formula by using of this mirror formula. Now what is asking? Focal length is asking. So for this one no need to take a sign convention. So already we know the one thing. So for sign convention for convex mirror positive. So here while doing the solution, the value will come with the positive means that answer is correct, right? So just you have to analyze like this ma, right? 1 by f equal to, right? For remaining two we have to take the sign convention. So for image distance sign convention is positive only, write 1 by 5, but come to object distance that is negative. So 1 by 15. So 1 by f equal to, 1 by f equal to, so what is the LCM here? 15 is the LCM. So 5 3 is the next 15 1s are, right? So 1 by f equal to, so 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 1, 2 by 15, right? Then f equal to 15 by 2. That means 15 by 2. That means what? 2 1s are 2, 7.5. So then focal length is 7.5 centimeter. Focal length equal to 7.5 centimeter. Then what about radius of curvature? R is equal to 2f. So R is equal to 2 into f. F value what? 7.5. Right? 7.5. Then R equal to 7.5 into 2. Then again what will be? So 15 centimeter. So this is the radius of curvature for convex mirror. For radius of curvature for convex mirror, these two are positive only. One is focal length is positive, radius of curvature also positive. So your values are also there in terms of positive only, right? So this is the third problem. Come to fourth problem. What is given? A 4.5 centimeter needle is placed 12 centimeter away from a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Then find the position of the image and the magnification. So see here ma, in this question object distance is given 12 centimeter. That means sign convention, if you take sign convention means negative. And focal length, for focal length convex mirror is positive only, then no need to take a negative sign, right? Now we have to find the image distance equal to question mark, right? So 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. This is the mirror formula. So here what we need to find image distance. Then 1 by v equal to 1 by f, and this value you can take this side. So 1 by u, right? Now you can substitute values. 1 by v equal to, so focal length 1 by f means 1 by 15 minus of object distance is negative, so minus 1 by 12. So 1 by v equal to 1 by 15, so minus into minus plus 1 by 12. So what will come here? LCM. What is the LCM? 60 is the LCM, right? So 15 4s are plus 12 5s are. That means 1 by v equal to 9 by 60. Then v equal to 60 by 9. Reciprocal. So right, 3 3s are 3 20s are. So 3 1s are 3 6s are 6.66 will come, like that means, so v is equal to 6 point, you can take a 7 centimeter. So this is the image distance. Image distance is 6.7 centimeter. Next, what is asking ma? In this question, magnification. So magnification equal to general formula what? Minus v by u will come, right? So that means height of the image by height of the object equal to image distance by object distance. But here height of the image object distance is negative. Here substitute here m equal to minus v by, so right, minus v value how much is there here? So 6.7. Otherwise you can take 60 by 9 for calculation part. 60 by 9 by object distance. Object distance is nothing but minus 12, right? So here minus minus cancel, right? So 12 ones are 12 5s are, so then magnification is 5 by 9. So like this, here 6.7 place, just I am taking this 60 by 9. Why? For calculation become easy, that's why I am taking this value. So magnification is 5 by 9 for convex mirror. Generally for convex mirror magnification is positive only, right? So like this questions will ask in exam, right students? For more videos, for more information, follow my HNS physics classes. Thank you for everyone.